Hello, this is real numbers, square roots, and comparing numbers, example 3. And in this example, they give us three different numbers, and we have to classify them and tell whether they are real, irrational, rational, integers, or whole numbers. Well, in order to know if the square root of 24 is any of these, you have to know what these are. The whole numbers are just start at 0 and keep going up infinitely, but there's no fractions. Integers are the whole numbers plus the negative whole numbers, and again there's no fractions. Rationals are the integers together with the fractions, and this adds a lot because there's 1/2, 1/3, 1/2, negative 1/2. So the rational numbers add quite a bit. Irrational numbers are very strange numbers. They really can't be represented as fractions. They don't make decimals that are repeating. The most famous is pi, and the other examples of irrational numbers are radicals or square roots that don't work out evenly, like 5, like 27, like the square root of 24. Real numbers are just all the numbers that we study. In Algebra 2 we will learn some numbers that are not real. They're called imaginary, but we don't study those in Algebra 1. These are all our different types of numbers, and we're going to start out with the square root of 24. As far as whether it's a real number, that's a trick question. They're all real numbers. So this is a yes for real numbers. Irrational, yes, we said that when it's a square root of something that doesn't work out, it's an irrational number. No, it's not rational. Obviously, it's not an integer. This doesn't work out to a plain number, and it is not a whole number. So yes, this is real. Yes, this is irrational. Square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So this is a real number. It is not irrational. It is rational because rational include all of the integers. It is an integer, and yes, it is a whole number. So the answer is yes to everything except irrational. And the last one we have to work on is the negative square root of 81. The square root of 81 is 9, because 9 times 9 is 81. So this answer is negative 9. The answer is yes to it's a real number. No, it's not irrational. Yes, it is rational. It is an integer, negative 9 is included, but it is not a whole number because the whole numbers do not include the negatives. So no on whole numbers, yes on integers, yes on rational, no on irrational, yes on real.